So today I had to install some sensors for our BAS, humidity and CO2 sensors, just for 2 units on this air handler, second, third floor. This is a McCoy system. This is cooling only. See, we're in a mechanical room here. PFD, there's our control panel. So what we had to do here is we had to tack on an expansion module here to give us an additional inputs. All the inputs are used up on this controller, so we had to add the expansion to give us the extra inputs that we needed to add the 2 sensors. So you have these 2 conductors right here. One is from your humidity, one is from the CO2, and it's using a 0 to 5 volt signal, and then we draw 24 volts off here to power both in series. Relays for controls as well. I'll show you where I mounted the sensors. I had to feed the wire here, came down, came back here, and then through this side panel, a little rat's nest just came up here, went up through this hole, top of that hole. There's a piece of conduit right there. That's where the rest of control wire and statics pickup tubes are coming from, which I'll show you a little bit more right now when I go up there. So here's a little piece of conduit, and it just other smoke detector, other stuff coming through down through here and going to the controls. So I have our wire coming up here, zip tied along, going along the ductwork here, coming out, and then here is one of the return transfers. You got some over there as well. You can see there's other sensors that were already installed here a long time ago. So here's what I installed. Got a piece of stud, carved out some hole, drilled some holes in the center, mounted our humidity sensor right here, and then here's the CO2. On the back side there's a hole for the air to go through to pick up, and then I just have it flatten out the top and just screw it in to hold. And the wirings on the side of this humidity, that's running in series with power going through our conductors here, like I said, coming back down and then going, connecting to our controller. I'll post a snapshot of just a quick little image of what the sensors are popping up as on the graphics end. You know, I do troubleshoot, you know, our control stuff. I'm no way master in the controls side. You know, I don't know everything about it. Just learn as we try to go and try to, you know, troubleshoot as needed. We do have a guy who's our dedicated controls tech, and he has pretty much a newer guy with him that's learning the control side as well, so he has help. He's been in controls for 20 so years, so he knows his stuff, and you know, he's going into the programming, he's doing all that binding. You know, I do know a little bit on some of the server side of things, looking at, you know, things that not communicating, stuff like that. but I'm now nowhere near going and programming and writing programming. That's just a little bit too advanced for me. I'm definitely more mechanical, but I am in the field trying to troubleshoot if we have control issues. But like I said, I'm in the field, so I'm wiring this up, installing it, and our automation tech is doing the program side and adding it to the graphics. So we are communicating to those sensors. Like I said, I'll post a picture of what it looks like on graphics. I won't show the whole graphics due to just not showing some information that I won't be posting on, obviously, the internet. Possibly get in trouble for that. So I'll just show just the sensors, what it look like. But yeah, I mean, nothing too crazy. But it is control stuff. It is, something that either you'll be doing, you won't be doing. Adding special sensors, either be supply, return. You can see that we have a building and duct static sensors right there. Those do not come on the unit. Those are what we had installed when this unit was first put in. And then of course the relays for enable, start stop relays, dirty filter, morning warm up, and of course enable. So, but yeah, just a quick little overview of this install. Nothing too crazy, like I said. But yeah, just wanted to show you.